Uzbekistan expressed interest in acquiring 24 Dassault Rafale multi-role fighters during French President Emmanuel Macron's visit to the country. The prospect, first reported by Intelligence Online citing French governmental sources, would mark a significant diplomatic shift for Uzbekistan, a country historically aligned with and armed by Russia. This interest aligns with Uzbekistan's aim to modernize its military capabilities, particularly its large fleet of Russian-origin combat aircraft. According to latest World Air Forces Directory, the Uzbekistan Air Force operates MiG-29 fighters, Su-27 fighters, and Su-25 ground support aircraft. Over the years, Uzbekistan has already acquired European military aircraft such as 4 Airbus C-295W light transport aircraft, plus an array of combat helicopters from Airbus Helicopters. Uzbekistan, the only Central Asian country interested in phasing out its Soviet-era aircraft. In late October 2023, neighboring Kazakhstan reportedly attempted to auction off more than 100 combat jets inherited from the Cold War. Since at least 2021, Serbia, another historical ally of Russia, has been negotiating the purchase of 12 Dassault Rafale fighters to replace its fleet of MiG-29 jets. In February 2023, Aleksandar Vučić, president of Serbia, confirmed that negotiations between the two countries were ongoing, valuing the order at €3 billion. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine, canard delta-wing, multi-role fighter aircraft designed for a variety of missions including air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence. The Rafale fighter is manufactured by the French company Dassault Aviation, with the twin-engine multi-role aircraft among the most capable fourth-generation air combat platform available, and is able to perform a number of roles such as air defense, ground attack, and more.